Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Say hello, Lakeen.
Hello, hello.
This is my friend Lakeen. We're going to be working on his Jeep Latitude, installing this receiver, and we're going to be also giving it a tire rotation. So it's my first time doing the receiver, but I've done many tire rotations. So we already measured the tread in the rear. The short story of it is this side has a little bit more tread than on this side. So for now, we're just going to rotate it. And then he'll probably go get an alignment another time, whenever. Yeah. So not too concerned about it. Just gonna rotate it so they stay a little more evened out across the vehicle. So yeah, let's get to work. That's funny, bruh. All right.
There we go.
A little more safe, but. All right, guys. It's a 20.
20.
Oh, lug bolts. Look at that. Get out of here. It might not be a 20.
It might not be a 20.
Wow. Mallet time. All right, so we're gonna be nice to the next guy. Just clean a little bit of this off. And we're gonna put some anti-seize. Just a lot of shops don't really do this, and because it takes more time. Like so. Lined up. I get them started by hand so you don't cross thread the shit out of them with the impact. Very gently put them on with this. Rip. We're on. Time to do the front.
How clean is clean?
I just go until there's less kind of dusty dust getting kicked up. I'm literally making, you know, the dealership's job just a little easier for next time. That stuff will be there when you take the wheel off the next time. So next time, you shouldn't even have to hit it with a hammer. It should just right off, which is nice if you're on the side of the road or something too.
Yeah.
People don't think about that. And you're trying to change your tire on the side of the road. You're like, fuck, dude, I can't even get it off.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna set it down and torque it, and then we can do the other side. Say hi, Lakeen. I'm gonna send it to Braxton.
What's up?
I'll be like, you guys are working in the fucking snow. I didn't know it was gonna snow like this, man. This is crazy.
Really?
Okay, so we got the tires rotated. So now we're gonna start working on the rear hitch receiver, and you're gonna learn with me how to do this. So now we gotta take a 7mm and undo these guys. All right. So once you get this one off, this one, and this one off, you can weasel off the fascia for the exhaust. Now we want to drop the muffler by taking these two bolts off and kind of letting it droop. And we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Out of the key.
Yeah, dude.
Oh, I'm stuck. Fuck. Oh, the screw fell in my hoodie.
I pry through here, and then all that falls into your face. I don't want to like push it so far that it just snaps it, but it's just a little hung up still.
All right, so now we're getting ready to put the bar up, right? So we got the lower fascia out. This piece you're gonna have to cut because the receiver, since this piece sits vertically like this, we'll cut a section into the middle to pass through the receiver. So McKean right now is working on, I included basically this wire. You wind it up into the threads, and then you'll be able to put this spacer on there just like that, and you'll be able to feed the wire through the frame rail so that way you can pull it tight on there and get ready to install your nut. So really clever, honestly, design there. So now it's going to be just following the instructions. So pretty much you'll be putting those pieces in, and then through the frame rail, and then on the other side we'll be putting up this big bar with these washers facing with the studs up into the bottom, followed by a nut. So let's do that and start getting the bar installed. All right, so McKean right now, he's basically, we're feeding the wire through first, and then after that you can feed in the spacer and then the bolt, but you have to get it to the other side first. So he's doing that right now. Yep, just like that. Yep. So that one's in, and then you got to get it lined up so it's nice and snug on there. And then you can do the back one after that. And then we'll be able to tighten the hardware down and everything. So we have it set up here with the feed wires, all 3 bolts, like so, to match this. And then we're gonna bolt it on after. All right guys, so we used the feed through wires to get the bolts in here. Not super simple, I won't lie, it's not that easy. You really wanna make sure that you're able to pretty much get all 3 of these in already. And then you wanna try to get, if possible, the flat bar to be horizontal this way in the frame rail, but it's probably not the end of the world if you can't, but that's ideally what you do. And then there's a lock washer that goes on the inside of here. I put it on the wire ahead of time. It's a little bit difficult, but you can kind of fish your way into there. Then make sure you put these washers on correctly, and you're on your way. So McKean's doing the other side still, and we're almost there. Now we're just kind of doing everything in reverse, guys. So make sure you cut enough here that you can get all these plastic tabs in. In our case, we didn't quite get enough, but most of the tabs are there, so we're just gonna call it good enough. 8 mils back here. Don't forget to put your exhaust back on, and zip tie what you can, like this wire here. All right, so there it is installed. Woo! Looking good.
Finally.
Yeah, finally. Woo! Yeah, that was not easy, guys. As you can see, it's dark out, and it was snowing all day, and yeah, I don't have a heated garage, and it's also not enough space because someone has a Civic in here. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. What the fuck? So anyway, yeah, we got it all tightened up. Pain in the ass to get, but you guys saw how it is. All goes back together. Make sure you torque everything down to specification, you know, perfectly done. Zip tie your wires up, and there you go. So now it's all said and done, and yeah, McKean, you're ready to tow.
I'm ready to tow now.
Perfect. All right. Hopefully that helped somebody on the internet, and have a good day.